Hello everyone, welcome to another Roku tutorial video. Today in this video, I will show you how to get a web browser on your Roku device. Now, as you can see right here, Roku does have a web browser and it's located in the Roku channel store as a web video cast Roku receiver. Downloading the best Roku web browsers require a secondary device such as iPhone or Android. Now, unfortunately, this is because a dedicated Roku web browser is not natively built in or supported as an app. So this comes in with some difficulties, right? Now, the benefit is a web browser is displayed on Roku with smooth navigation, just like any other device using the internet. So obviously, as you can see right here, here are four types of web browsers that are available on Roku. So you have browser application. As of 2023, all native apps have been discontinued. This includes the hacked versions as well. Smartphone app and receiver, you can download webcast video on your iPhone or Android to cast a web browser on Roku. So this is one way you can go and get web browser on Roku device. You can also download a Roku receiver on the Roku itself as well. If you want, I can create a video on that as well. You can cast from your computer. You can use Chrome browser by selecting the three dots on the top right and select cast. Again, you can do that on your Chrome browser or on your Brave browser as well. You can mirror from Windows. You can select connections from the notification bar in the Windows to mirror to Roku. You can also mirror from Mac as well. However, yeah, again, there are some disadvantages to this. If you want to use web browser, I would highly advise you to go and use it on your smart TV or on your mobile phone, because this will be a nightmare to use if you're using this first time on Roku. Now, as you can see, for smartphone, the web video cast app is by far the best option. For computers, you can cast from Google Chrome browser or Windows Miracast to Roku. There are also a few more alternatives. However, these are the best alternatives so far. So hopefully you guys again enjoyed this video. I know this is not probably what you expected, but this is the answer to how to get web browser on Roku device. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.